Transform your WordPress videos from static to stunning by mastering the art of text overlays. Today, we're diving into a powerful technique to make your website's multimedia truly pop, overlaying text directly onto your video backgrounds within WordPress. This isn't just about adding words. It's about creating a cohesive, compelling visual experience that pulls your audience in and amplifies your message. First things first, ensure your video is uploaded and ready to go in your WordPress media library. We'll start by inserting this video into a page or post. Simply click to add a new block, search for video, and select your uploaded file. Now, here's where the magic happens. We're going to leverage the power of WordPress's built-in layout options with the video block selected. Look for the group block, click the 3 vertical dots on the video block, and choose Group. This grouping is crucial. It allows us to place other elements directly on top of our video with the group block selected. We'll now add a new block inside this group this time. We'll add a heading or paragraph. Block your choice for the text you want to overlay. Type in your compelling headline or important message. Feel free to style this text. Choose your font, size, and color to perfectly complement your video and brand now. Let's make it appear on the video. Select the overall group block again in the block settings sidebar. You'll find dimensions. We want to ensure our video block has a proper height. Adjust the min height of the video block to give it enough space for your text. Then, drag your text block to the desired position directly over the video. To refine the placement, you can adjust the spacing within the group block. Use inner block spacing. If needed, the key is to create a harmonious visual flow. You can also add other elements like buttons by adding them within the same group block, placing them above your video. Preview your page or post to see your text beautifully overlaid on the video background. This simple yet effective technique dramatically enhances engagement and delivers your message with impact. Start experimenting today and elevate your WordPress multimedia.